Hey, Brent from Stevens Tractor. We planted potatoes back in March 10th, and usually recommended time, especially in our area, is about 90 to 120 days. They look like they're about ready to go. Some are probably a little past due, but we had to kind of let everything even out. To make things easier, what we do, of course the grandkids help, we just kind of pull the top stalks off of them, and whatever potatoes are stuck to them, we just put them off the side. When we get done with that, we're going to run our middle buster down the row, get everything cleaned up, roll the potatoes out. Hopefully we got some in there. Stay tuned. Alright, we got all the tops pulled off the potato plants, fixing to run the middle buster down the road, see what we got. Looks pretty good. We're pulling potatoes up with some of the plants, so trying to get just rid of some of this stuff to not to contend with as much grass, but here we go.
Like you want to dump all the, he wants to dump all the
What I got it more lower than that.
Robert, you want to dump all the potatoes in your bucket?
So much grass. Okay, we got some potatoes out the ground. Fortunately, there was some in there. We struggled because the grass had kind of took over the garden, and with the rain we've been having, we really couldn't help it. But we was able to salvage everything and kind of get down to some good dirt once we got the grass out the way. But it works out pretty good. Now the work really begins, so siphoning through all the dirt and getting the rest of them out. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and it's really worth it because we got plenty of potatoes. Y'all have a good day. Thank you.